Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in Tabs 3. I'm going to show you how to use text macros to speed up the process of entering fees or descriptions in your entries. It's fairly simple, and I'm going to show you the process. So if I were in a fee entry and I was entering a new fee, I have transaction codes that can give me a quick shortcut description down here in my description box. And I can continue to add my fee entry and then continue to type here. But I also have text macros that are available that can be set up, and it can be just a simple set of characters, and it will put in a line of text or a word. There's a lot of different things here that you can do. So in my example, I'm going to use DOM for dissolution of marriage, hit my enter key, and now it plugs in petition for dissolution of marriage and related documents. This is something that has been set up as a text macro whenever I use DOM. If I right-click on the description and choose macro lookup, I can then see all of the different macros that have been set up already in the system. And here's my DOM up there with the petition of marriage that had been set up, plus all of these others have been in here. Now, my suggestion is when you set these up, don't use just initials. Put like TT with a backslash or a forward slash in here so that if someone were to type in TT or DOM and that was actually something that you needed to have in there just as DOM or a certain word like IN or something like that, it won't change the word in to whatever this text macro is. You want some kind of a character in here that's easy to hit and then hit enter so that way it won't override a real word. So these are where the lookup is that I have to choose from. But if I wanted to modify that, I can also right-click in the description box and click on Edit Text Macro. Here's where I can see the list again, and I can edit them or I can add them. So if I wanted to add a new one, I can just put in OH, and we'll say that is, and I'm going to actually create an OH with a forward slash, so that you can see the difference. Because what if I wanted this to be Ohio? I don't want that to override if I type OH into what I'm going to say open and handle. Probably an odd thing to use, but I have just created a macro now for OH that will now put in open and handle. I'm going to save that. I'll get out and go back into my fee window. I'm going to type OH forward slash enter, and now it has open and handle in there. But if I type OH and then just hit enter, it's still going to leave it as Ohio. So I showed you how to get into the text macro by right-clicking on the description box, either looking at the macro lookup or editing the text macro. You also can get into that underneath maintenance, text macro maintenance. That gives you a place that you can go in to add and edit right here. That's how you do it. Text macros to make your life a little bit easier with fee entry. If you have any questions or comments, you can always visit our website or give us a call. Thank you.